Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation question. Trying out lighting again. This one is much brighter than it was in the video for theater. So if you prefer this, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let's get right to the lesson. The word today is bɔks, B-O-X, bɔks, and this is a cardboard container. Being that Christmas is just over, I'm sure that you have a lot of boxes around your house. So to say this word correctly, most people get the B sound, ba. Just open your mouth, the voice box is on. For that short O sound, think about making your mouth into a wide oval, ah. And when you get your lips and mouth into that position, it'll be easier for you to get the tip of your tongue into the bottom of your mouth and the back of your tongue will be pulled up a bit, ah. Next, move to the X letter, which we're going to pronounce in this case with K-S. And to do this, the tip of your tongue is going to remain in the bottom of your mouth with the back of your tongue pulled up for that K, and the air is going to puff out of your mouth. And then quickly move to the S sound, S. And to make this sound, your tongue is going to be flat in your mouth, and we're going to let the air move out of the mouth over top of that tongue. Bɔks, bɔks, bɔks. Now, as I was doing this lesson, I wasn't planning on teaching this, but let's talk about how you say bɔksɪz. And to do that, we are going to add an is at the end. I have a lesson on how you pronounce the letter S when you add it to a word to make something plural. I'll put that link in the description. So in this case, because we end this word in an S sound, don't think in letters, think of sounds here. So because we end in this S sound, we're going to add an is to the word to make it plural. So bɔksɪz, and then that adds a syllable, bɔksɪz. So again, we have bɔks, bɔksɪz, bɔks, bɔksɪz. The presents were shipped in a sturdy box, and I have a lot of boxes left over from Christmas presents. So give it a try. I know people are going to notice a difference if you found this helpful. Please give us a like and share us with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And check out our products on Google Play, iTunes, and Tarle Speech. Those links are in the description below. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. And don't forget, let me know what you think of the new lighting.